How are we all doing? Tonight I thought I'd take a few minutes to have a look at some solders. This is stuff from China, which I'm going to have a look at, and that's the proper Ersin Multicore stuff. And there's been a discussion on the availability of lead-based solders recently on the UK Vintage Radio Forum, which spurred me on to go and buy a small roll to try for myself. So that's what I'm going to have a look at tonight. Apparently it's going to get difficult to get solders, lead-based solders, and the lead-free stuff is just crap, in my opinion. But the lead-based stuff is good, and with the vintage stuff and all, it's all lead-based that's in there anyway. So we'll have a look at this and see if it's any use. So I suppose the first thing to do is soldering iron little station is set for 350 degrees centigrade, which is around where I usually have it. I can turn it up a bit higher for chassis based work on old valve radios, but and I can turn it down a bit, usually around 320, 330 for fine PCB work. That's what I do. I don't, whether that's right or wrong, I don't know, but that's what works for me. So I've got an old couple of 6.8k wire round resistors, so I'm just going to twiddle the leads together and on both ends, and we'll see how this solder takes on this. So this end I'll use the multicore. I'll use the multicore first on one end. Now the only difference is this is 1mm thick, 1mm gauge. No, sorry, I'm telling you a lie, it's 1.2mm, so it's a little bit thicker. This is 0.8 that I got, but it should prove the point. Now I haven't cleaned off the leads on these resistors, and they're quite old, so there's a little bit of oxidation there, so the flux is gonna have to work hard. So I'll just wet the tip of the iron and put it on. Let's see, will it? Really should have something to hold this in, but we'll just see how it takes. There it is, it's flowing up the leads now, and you can see the flux is working there away, and that has taken quite nicely to the leads. Alright, she's stuck on there, no bother. So I'll try this Chinese crack. I'll see if it's any use or not. It's still wrapped up, I haven't gone near it yet. I just bought a small roll. I don't know what I paid for it. I think it was about €3. So that's not bad. I think a 500 gram roll is coming in at around between 10 and 15 quid, which is quite good, because I think a roll of multicore from RS will be around 30 quid or maybe even more now. It's gone up quite a bit. So there's a bit of sellotape here holding this together. So we'll see what it's like. A few other people on the forum have used it and have reported good results, so I'm hopeful. As I say, it's a good bit thinner than the other stuff, but you can get the soldering iron to wake up. As I say, we're on 350 degrees, same tip and all, so we'll see how it takes up the how it wicks along the leads of these resistors here twiddled together. Again, I'll tell you what, actually I'll wipe that off. I'll wipe off the tip first with a rag, just to and then I'll wet it with it. We'll see how it takes to the tip. Seems to wet the tip alright, so we'll go in here and we'll see how it wicks along. doesn't wick along quite as quick as the Multicore, but it's taken there, no bother. As I say, I didn't clean off them leads or that. Usually, as a tester, usually what I do is I scrape. When I've older components like this that where the leads are a bit dull, I will scrape them with a side cutters up the sides. But it certainly took there alright. Not quite as tidy as the Multicore, but certainly usable. That end is the Chinese stuff. That end is the Multicore. So it makes a good joint all the same. It's a little bit duller than the Multicore, but it's usable. So there you are. Just a quick video on that. I hope you're all doing well out there, and I'll talk to you soon. What do I think of this Chinese stuff? Well, it's usable. Certainly usable. Alright, good luck for now.